Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. We are building a fantastically bright Lego set today. This one adds to our Lego Trolls world. This is Poppy's pod. So she gets her own little individualized pod where she can keep all her stuff and nobody else gets to touch it. This is a 4+ set, which means it's designed for juniors, which means it's going to be super duper quick and easy to build so that we can get in really fast and you can play with it. But just because it's quick and easy to build does not mean that it is not awesome. So we've got her pink pod, we've got 2 bags, and we've got 2 books of instructions because, you know, that's obviously how many we need. So if this is Poppy's pod, obviously we are going to need Poppy. She's got pink legs, or pink stockings I suppose, and she's got a little green skirt, very pretty top with some flowers around the bottom. Oh, actually I think she looks entirely different. Oh, what am I saying? That's her leg colour. She is pink. She's a pink troll. My brain exploded. Okay, so we've put her together there, and I'm pretty sure these accessories were yellow in the troll village that we built previously. I think they are. We're gonna have to check. She gets a flower, a blue flower for the middle of her crown, and here we go. Here's the one from the village, the village celebration set. Definitely different. She's got a different expression, she's got a different outfit, and her accessories are all yellow. So let's get a cupcake put together out of these blue pieces with pink frosting on the top. She's all blue and pink for this particular episode. And her guitar, which is apparently a guitar but looks just like a mandolin or a lute to me with that interesting shape, she has got it, it's all, it's blue. So here are our 2 different poppies that we have so far. More cupcakes are what I'm instructed to build in the instructions next. So 1, 2, 3 cupcakes all up for now. So she can feast on these while we put her pod together. Where are our big pod pieces? These are cool because you can actually build it and you can contain it all together. It can be a nice little traveling playset. I love these new leaf pieces that plug the sides in because they're really, really easy to put in and take out, but they hold the 2 sides of the pod securely in. On this side of the pod, we've got this printed piece with a flower, like a flower shower head, and it's busy vomiting water down onto Poppy for her shower. Oh, that's so lovely. Okay, on the top we've got some flowers and some little, well, some miniature pods growing on the top, I think, in pink and blue, and on the inside now we get to find out what furniture she is going to be equipping her pod with. So I'm going to assume she's going to want a bed, and if there's a shower head, this is the shower. So there's a little shower section though at the moment. The studs are on the side of the shower, so she's standing directly under the shower right now. Here is a tap. Why does she need a tap if the shower... Oh, obviously she needs that to turn it on. And this is a little set of drawers. Well, there's one drawer in here. This is where she can keep all her stuff. So this is her hair maintenance stuff. She's got scissors and some sunglasses and some more flowers, some beautiful little blue accessories, and they go in here, and these can pop on and off nicely. She's also got a brush because she's going to need that to keep her wild hair under control, and there's a lollipop piece, a new printed lollipop piece. That's adorable. So that's also in the shower because, of course, where else would you keep lollipops? Insanity to think that they would go anywhere else. Okay, this little pink piece here is going to go on the other side. We've got some forward-facing clips there, so I think we're going to be putting... I think this is a bed. So this bed's going to be able to be flipped up so it's all nice and tidily put away. Look at this! It's in Poppy's colours. It's beautiful. We can flip it up when it's time to pack everything in the pod away. So look, see, she can sleep on it like this. And... she's got a book! A book with Happy in it. Is this like a drawing book, like a drawing scrapbooky thing? I'm not certain, but these printed pieces are gorgeous. Oh, that little Happy picture. That's so cute. This goes here on her bedside little table-y section. That's not where she stores her guitar, apparently. And up here, she needs a treble clef, or a G clef, depending upon what you call it, because of course music is like everything. So we'll plug the other side. We can undo either side. Look now, the bed's on the other side. So her pod is totally self-contained and ready, but we do have a completely extra bag of stuff to build. So let's see what we're going to build in this one. Okay, so far I have absolutely no idea. Got some... still no idea. It's colourful, whatever it is. There's a stick out the back of whatever this thing is. Oh, okay. It's starting to become clear to me because we are building a trunk for this fantastically coloured tree. And this little cube out the front is for putting these felty pieces on to create the flower face. It's a flower tree happy thing with the green thing sticking out the back. How do I align these? Let's see. No, that's it. Now they line up beautifully. The green things out the back are the branches in the tree singing and dancing. A marvellous time. And oh, hold on. I'm pretty sure we can actually swing Poppy on this. How do we do this? We put it over the hooked part. That makes more sense. And now she can swing while holding cupcakes in her hair. She's so talented. Yay! She can have a great time doing that as well. Okay, but we're not done yet. There's a whole nother part to this build. Okay, so this looks like... I have no idea what this is. It looks like something. Let's keep building, find out. We've got a treasure chest in purple, and in the treasure chest, it's where you find the map. The sacred map of musicness. Because I have no idea what's happening in this movie because it hasn't been released yet. But she goes searching for this map, I assume. Because it's hidden away behind, well, in this bricky section behind a wall of mountainous ice. Okay, so there's some adventure coming up. Pretty sure that's what's going to happen. And of course it wouldn't be very Trolls if it wasn't covered in fantastically coloured foliage and gems and just so much colour. And we can secure the purple foliage on with the green curve piece and a little bit more ornamentation, including a quaver on the front there. And we're almost done, except we've got this little dude who is either a wind-up seed something or a chef. He's really cute. There are all these characters I know nothing about, but that's it. This is the entirety of Poppy's pod, and there's so much more in it than I expected there to be. I just kind of thought it would be her pod and the things in it that she's going to want. So this is really cute, but we're not finished yet because apparently we can attach this to the back of the village celebration set. No, the top. And if we put on the top, that looks really precariously dangerous. So according to the pictures, we just kind of shove it on the top like that, but there's nothing to secure it to. So that is totally not going to work. So what we can do is we can add maybe a couple of studs here. And you can just use any coloured studs you've got. Yeah, that's not secure either. That probably wasn't my best plan. If we put them at the front, there we go. That's much more secure. Oh, okay. This is a very cute set and so much more in it than I expected there to be. And Poppy has now got her own pod. Now let's just roll on the release of this movie so that we actually know what's going on in this story, though. I know it's going to be very cute and very colourful and entirely full of music. Okay, make sure you subscribe. Now is a great time to do it before you wander off into the huge land of YouTube. Make sure you check out some of my other videos before you go, and I will see you with a new one very soon. Bye!